Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. I'm going to plan today for the month of August using the Traveller's Notebook kit from Coffee Monsterz Co. She's actually working on her 2026 collection at the minute, which is scary, and I believe she's hand painting all the different art, so that'll be exciting to see how that turns out. But anyway, if you want to see the full collection for 2025 and what I'm using today, I'll link below the haul where I showed everything in detail. But for now, let's just take a quick look at what I'll be using to set up this month. Okay, let's get started with my August overview.
Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening. I haven't left my room, but the truth is, if I'm honest, I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Pull the sheets over my head, hoping change is gonna find me. You don't have to remind me. I'm doing nothing at all. I'm ruminating on a blank wall, but I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Can you tell me what I need? Can you tell me what you see in me? Can you tell me what I need? Can you tell me what you see in me? I just feel stuck here in the middle.
Okay, moving on to the monthly layout, and I'll start by getting the base layout down and then we will get to planning.
I laid awake in our bed. It was the last time I would stay. You would block the sunlight from the window. I left the keys but couldn't close the door. All the times I convinced myself there gotta be a heaven and hell. Once again you stab my chest, swear to God you're a narcissist. Never again. Through the fire, through the flames, that's how it burns when I hear your name. You let me down when I was high. Now I go
Now, time to get the plans in. So I'm going to take a little dot and put it, it's supposed to be on the 3rd, but I'll notice that right now and move it over to mark my brother-in-law's birthday. There's quite a lot of birthdays in August, and I always put a little dot and then one of the little balloons beside it. And then I thought I had some little nail polish bottles from either Fox&Pip or Hubman and Chubgirl, but I've run out, so I'll have to get some. So instead I just lifted some of these, some say Manny, some say Petty underneath, but I just cut the wording off and I'm using them to mark my nail tech course that I'm going to be doing. And I'm equally excited and scared at the same time because it's very out of my comfort zone. A couple of years ago I never would have had the confidence to do this, so I am proud of myself for going for it, but it's still scary. But anyway, so that'll be on the 3rd, the 10th and the 17th. So I just put a small dot for that and then one of the little Chub girls with a nail polish bottle beside it. The next thing I'm going to mark is my annual leave. I always take 3 weeks off in August. Even though if we're going to go away somewhere, we usually don't go away until September or October because it's the middle of the racing season for Stephen. But I just love having 3 weeks off in a row. I usually decorate the house, or in this case I'm going to be studying and playing about with my nail stuff, and I just like having 3 weeks off. What else can I say? So I used an N60 Tombow marker which goes with this collection and just drew a long arrow, and then I'm putting in the bank holiday event sticker from Coffee Monsterz Co because Monday the 25th is the bank holiday, so I'll have a lovely long period of time off. And then next on the 20th I'm marking my nephew's birthday with a little dot and a balloon, and then marking payday with a little money sticker. And then I have 2 more birthdays to mark in, one for my niece Anna on the 23rd, and then one on the 29th for my other niece. So that's 4 birthdays in total in August. September is the same. There's a lot of birthdays in September, including mine. And that is everything in. Actually, I would need to write back to work on the 26th, but I'll write that in closer to the time. So I'm going to have a little tidy up here of my stickers, and then I'm going to move on to doing the final spread, which is my current lease.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.